You're inside a next-generation carpet factory, where red carpets and prayer mats are built with extreme precision at massive scale. Every thread is controlled by sensors. Tension, speed, and alignment are monitored in real time. Robots handle the heavy loading, while technicians supervise the process through digital control panels. Before weaving, the yarn is cleaned at a micro level, so the final surface stays spotless and uniform. Now the core process, computer-controlled looms build the carpet structure second by second. Warping aligns hundreds of threads into a perfectly ordered foundation for weaving. Automated calibration keeps tension stable. Any deviation gets corrected instantly. Each batch is traceable. Fiber type, color recipe, and production data are logged from the start. Color consistency depends on accurate dye dosing, computer-controlled down to exact measurements. Conditioning stabilizes the yarn so it behaves perfectly during high-speed weaving. Quality starts at the fiber. Texture and shade are checked under controlled lighting. These creel racks continuously feed hundreds of spools, keeping production running without interruption. Threading is precision work. Robotic tools reduce errors and increase speed. Prayer mat motifs and borders are programmed digitally, then woven exactly as designed. Thousands of synchronized motions per minute. This is industrial weaving at its peak. The strength comes from the lock between warp and weft. Precision you can actually see. Multiple looms run in parallel. High output, consistent quality, and zero downtime thinking. AI cameras inspect every centimeter, detecting defects instantly before they become waste. Technicians don't wrestle machines, they manage data, and the machines respond. Edge control prevents fraying and keeps every roll perfectly straight. After weaving, the fabric is stabilized and rolled, flat, smooth, and wrinkle-free. Autonomous vehicles move heavy rolls safely, guided by sensors and mapped routes. Heat setting locks in shape and texture, so the carpet stays stable for years. You can see the finish change: deeper color, smoother surface, more premium feel. Laser gauges verify thickness, keeping every batch within strict tolerances. Washing happens in a controlled system, and the water is filtered and recycled to reduce waste. Powerful jets clean the surface, while sealed shielding keeps the facility spotless. Powerful jets clean the surface, while sealed shielding keeps the facility spotless. Thermal monitoring confirms uniform heat, preventing shrinkage and color shifts. For prayer mats, decorative details are aligned with servo precision, clean, centered, and consistent. Cameras verify placement down to millimeters, so every mat looks identical. A perfect cut matters, because a clean edge is the start of a premium finish. Robotic stacking keeps everything aligned, and the system logs counts automatically. Edge binding seals the mat, boosting durability and preventing unraveling. Uniform stitching is a signature of quality, every loop identical. Brand tags and barcodes add identity and make quality tracking effortless. Final inspection checks size, edge straightness, stitch quality, and surface uniformity. Color is verified scientifically. Delta E readings confirm the shade is within tolerance. Color is verified scientifically. Delta E readings confirm the shade is within tolerance. Automated folding keeps every mat perfectly symmetrical, ready for packaging. A protective sleeve and clean heat seal keep each mat dustproof and retail ready. Labels are printed, scanned, and verified, so every package is trackable. Robots pack cartons with consistent orientation, fast, gentle, and efficient. Palletizing turns individual cartons into a stable load, optimized for shipping. In the smart warehouse, inventory updates live, and AGVs move goods to the right dock automatically. From production to dispatch, every step is controlled, clean, and fully traceable. And that's the result: premium red carpets and prayer mats, engineered with high-tech automation and finished to perfection.